Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How. If you saw this video and you clicked on it, take it as a sign to earn $150 each day without any initial investment. All you've got to do is watch this video till the end and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications for instant updates. Let's get started. There are just a few simple steps to start with, the first one being research. Research about a few networks and their products to promote and go over the pros and cons of each of these so you can really decide which type of market you should tap into and which one is the best for you. Watch the whole video and don't skip any parts because you might mess up if you don't listen to all the steps. Also, there might be a few tips and tricks here that you don't want to miss. So, with that comes tip number one, believe in yourself. Coming back to it, you don't really need any product of your own that you have to promote. There are multiple sites from where you can find products, get affiliated with these companies, and get paid commission on each sale. I would recommend to you the go-to website that I personally use. It's not only easy to comprehend, but also easy to work with. Go to Google and search ClickBank. Step 1, sign in. Just fill in your details and become a part of the ClickBank community. Step 2, log in and go to the marketplace. It should look something like this, and on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to find a menu of different products and product types to promote, ranging from education, kitchenware to games and education. All sorts of products are available here. Step 3, choose your product. Choose the product that you like according to the kinds of people you have access to. Tip, if you're a female, a young adult in college, you might want to tap into education or maybe personal care products. On the other hand, if you're a 30-year-old man, you might want to look at beard care products, vitamins, etc. Step 3, read about the product. On clicking on the product, you will be able to get some information on the product, which I believe you should read because while convincing your friends or target audience, you'll have to use these points so that you have something concrete that can be used while selling. Step 4, get the link. Click on the product you want to promote and click on the promote button. You'll get a link and all you've got to do is share on the platforms. Tip, if you're a person who has a good Instagram reach and you make reels and videos, you can easily promote these products and reach thousands of people with just Instagram. The same is with YouTube or any other social media platform. You just have to spread the word, and if you're good at it, well, you've earned money at the end of the day. I've now explained to you the process of how affiliate marketing works. All you need to know now is how to really influence people. Number 1, influencer marketing. Influencers may not send you colossal measures of traffic contrasted with couple locales. In any case, the crowd they send is designated and bound to be keen on your item. Number 2, use coupons to distract people. Utilizing coupons and arrangements is outstanding amongst other associate showcasing methodologies to help deals. That is because numerous shoppers love the investment fund force of coupons. They regularly look for rebate vouchers on different coupon and arrangements locales before looking for any item. Number 3, optimize your product pages for conversions. Numerous brands put resources into associate showcasing methodologies and anticipate that their affiliates should drive transformations all alone. You can't depend totally on your partners and sit back to watch deals come in. Subsidiary promoting can assist you with driving intrigued customers to your item pages. However, you must ensure that they purchase your item once they're there. On the off chance that you need to create more deals, you ought to convey a decent client experience to them. For this, you need to improve your item pages to help with transformations. It's basic. Simply ensure that your site stats quick, you have adequate data to help your clients purchase the item they need, you show great top-notch item photographs that catch your guest's eye. For this, you can utilize influence apparatuses like Volume. It's anything but a traffic dispersion AI that can help you direct traffic to the highest way pages. And just like that, by following these simple steps, you can make at least $150 in a day. Found it helpful, right? Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so you never miss out on a video.